Gemini gets smarter. Upload documents and spreadsheets for deeper insights. Google's Gemini AI assistant is elevating its abilities with a newly launched feature that allows for document and spreadsheet uploads for automatic analysis. This update launching now allows the user to upload to 10 documents at the same time and ask Gemini questions, creating summaries and insights, even customizable charts. Imagine being able to upload a spreadsheet and asking Gemini to create a chart to visualize the data, or uploading a document and asking Gemini to summarize the main points. The supported file types include popular document and spreadsheet formats such as PDF, DocX, XLSX, and also Google Docs and Sheets files. Gemini will be able to answer questions, generate summaries, and deliver insights for uploaded documents. In the case of spreadsheets, it will go all the way to helping create customizable charts. The feature is now live for Gemini Advanced users and is accessible within both the Google app and the Gemini web experience using the Gemini tab. Note that the action isn't supported in the Gemini overlay as of now. Google will be inserting the shortcut in a future update. Whether you're a student looking to summarize a research paper, a professional seeking to analyze data, or simply someone looking to organize your documents, Gemini is here to help.